Hey there, everyone. Today, let's take a look at the CRI, a harrow with excellent performance in the preparation of various types of soil and excellent work performance. The CRI comes in 3 categories: 12 and 14 discs, 16 to 30 discs, 32 to 44 discs. These category variations serve the small, medium, and large producer. To ensure that nothing important is missing from the assembly, I will pass on its main components here. Come on! Frame upright. Supports the harrow frames. Front frame. Supports the front section of the discs. Rear frame. Supports the rear section of the discs. Tire pivot axis. Connects the wheel to the harrow. Stabilizer bar. Levels the harrow during transport and assists the operator during coupling. Crossbar joins the harrow to the header. Complete coupling header joins the harrow to the tractor through the crossbar. Tires provide support and displacement to the harrow through the most diverse terrains. Adhesives serve as a warning for maintenance and other purposes. Bolted with discs, set of discs that will be used by the harrow. Rollers support the discs with the aid of nuts, washers, bearings, separators, and shaft. Component box gathers essential items for the complete assembly of the machine. To facilitate transport and optimize the value of freight, the CRI leaves the factory disassembled, okay? When receiving the harrow, you need to follow some important steps to get it ready for the first use. First, assemble the disc sections according to the model purchased. Repeat the process for all sections. Then, place the front and rear frames on the disc rollers. Then, connect the front and rear frames to the frame uprights. Now it is time to put in place the articulation axle of the tires, joining the bearings to the uprights of the frames. Remove the wheel hub nuts and fit the tires. Then replace the nuts. Then place the front and rear wipers. Pay attention to the correct position of the wipers. Now, let's assemble the header. First, put the crossbar in place. Then, place the coupling header through the upper and lower plates. Place the stabilizer bar. Attach the hose support bracket to the header. Attach the stabilizer bar support. Fit the stabilizer bar to the support and the pivot axis of the tires. Place the hydraulic cylinder and hydraulic hoses. Place the limit rings attached to the hoses, close to the hydraulic cylinder and the piston lock. Fit the Harrow union pin to the tractor. If necessary, perform the calibration according to the table. Lubricate the points indicated in the Harrow manual. All ready! See how the Harrow arrives, and how it should look after you have completed the assembly. Now, let's learn some possibilities of adjustments that the Harrow has. The cutting angle can be adjusted according to the need to increase or decrease the depth of the discs during work. The adjustment is made by opening or closing the front and rear frames, which are on the right side of the Harrow. The machine leaves the factory with 2 limit rings that also assist in the control of working depth. To do this, insert or remove these rings from the hydraulic cylinder, as needed. Cross the discs to further increase your work performance. This adjustment is made through the 3 holes on the left side, both in the front and rear frames. The frame upright must be adjusted so that the coupling header is as level as possible with the drawbar. This adjustment is made in the 2 coupling holes from the upright to the crossbar. The harrow can be moved to the left or right as needed. This adjustment is generally used when the tractor is wider than the harrow. In this case, position the harrow to the left of the tractor. To do this, use the holes in the header crossbar. You can increase the cut of the front and rear disc sections through the 3 holes in the harrow header. Coupling is performed by joining the bar support and the upper header plate, using the pin and activating the hydraulic cylinder. During work, remove the pin from the drawbar on the left side of the tractor. Replace this pin during transport. Adjust the stabilizer bar according to the tractor's drawbar so that they are level during transport. To do this, use the holes on the front and rear. The harrow must be fixed to prevent a seesaw effect during transport. Use the stabilizer rod for this purpose. Disc cleaners should be adjusted according to the type and humidity of the soil. For this, use adjustments that allow them to be brought closer or further away from the discs. To find out the approximate hourly yield of your harrow, use the following formula. Here are some important tips to extend the life of your CRI. Did you know that you can upgrade your CRI? That's right! Baldan's staff offers options that can be purchased according to your needs. Just take a look. 26 or 28-inch diameter discs. 6 or 7.5 millimeter thick discs. Bearings with oil or grease lubrication. With or without impact protection. Or even with an axial seal. Coupling support, which has the purpose of assisting at the time of coupling, disengaging, as well as supporting the header when the harrow is disengaged. Disc cleaner. Single or double wheels and several tire options. Always consult a Baldan dealer to find out which options best suit your working condition. Your harrow is unique, so it's important to keep your identification visible for any consultation, okay? The nameplate has model, serial number, manufacturing date. In addition to a QR code, which is scanned with your cell phone, it leads directly to the instruction manual, parts catalog, and also this video. It's that simple. Oh, and so that no one runs out of information, your CRI also comes with a printed version of the manual that comes along with your invoice. Until next time, guys!